Want to install some new apps on your Android, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install any app on your Android smartphone. Now let's get started. To download apps on your Android phone, you'll first need to open the Google Play Store. This is an app that comes pre-installed on every Android, and gives you access to download all the other apps that are available for your device. On the Play Store, you'll find games, social media apps, shopping apps, navigation, news, entertainment, and more. You can browse popular apps by category, or use the search function to find a specific app you want to install. If you already know what app you want to download, type the name of it into the text box at the top of the search tab. When you see the app in the search results, tap its name to view more details. To download the app on your Android, tap Install. You may be prompted to enter your Google account password or use face recognition to confirm. Then just wait for the installation process to complete. This can take a few minutes depending on the amount of data included in the download. When the download is complete, you can tap Open to launch the app you've installed and start using it. You can find any newly installed app in your Android app library. Access your app library by swiping upward on your home screen, or by tapping the menu icon at the bottom of your home screen. If you'd like to add a shortcut to this app to your home screen, hold down the app icon and select Add to Home. Repeat this process to install all the apps you'd like to have on your Android. That's all it takes to download and install any app on your Android smartphone. Want more beginner-friendly Android tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.